Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to post on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to post on Bigo Live. Maybe because you want to post something about your experience regarding this app, or maybe you want to say something interesting regarding your fans and followers, or it could be any other reason for you to post on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Bigo Live app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of content and live streamings on our home screen, as you can see. Other than that, we have some options at the top of the page and some options at the below of the page. So from all these options and stuff, we have to simply click on this right bottom option, which is me and similar to profile icon. You just have to simply tap onto that option and you will land into this option which says me at the top of the page. Here you will see your profile icon, your name, your user ID and different options related to your account. Here we have this option which says my post. If you tap on it, you will get into it, and if you have ever posted anything, it will appear here. But if you have not installed it yet, then you will see this interface. At the bottom of the page, we have this option which say post. If you tap onto that, with the help of that, you can easily post anything on this Bigo Live. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to select any kind of media file from your mobile phone gallery, so you can choose anything, whatever you want to paste, you can paste it. So here I'm going to post about like which apps are the most useful or the favorite ones by the user, so they will talk about it. So here I have selected some of the apps icons, and after that you will see this option. If you don't want to add any picture, you can remove it like that, but if you want to again add it, then you have to get back, and after that you have to go through the same process again. Like, you have to click on post option, and once you click on it, you have to again select the media. Once you select the media, it will appear here. If you want to add more, you can add through this option, and after that you have to add anything. You can add anything, whatever you prefer, whatever you want to ask, or whatever you want to say, you can add it. Here I will ask something like, what are the favorite apps of the my clients, and they will talk about it here. So likewise, you can paste and can talk about whatever you feel and whatever you like. Other than that, you can add any kind of emojis if you want to add. There are multiple options available. You can also mention anybody. You just have to simply add the username of the person, and you can also add a title of your choice here. In the title, you could talk about what this thing is related and whatever comes to your mind. Once you're done with all these things, now just simply click onto this option, and after that your post will be here. Here you can see it is getting processed, and here you can see the post has been successfully posted. This was the easiest way I know through which you can post on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.